Welcome to the GCBM installation tutorials. In the first video of this series, we'll demonstrate how to set up the GCBM Build Environment in Visual Studio, how to make a release version of the GCBM, and how to test GCBM on the Standalone Template. Let's get started. First, we'll go to Moja Global's GitHub page. In the search box, type moja.canada and click on the Moja Canada repository. We'll follow the instructions in the README file. To begin, make sure that CMake 3.19 or greater is installed, as well as VCPKG dependencies. Another library, in addition to the Flink libraries, needs to be added to VCPKG dependencies. Open a command prompt and change the directory to C development Moja Global with the command cd space c:\development \moja-global. Make sure to delete any older Flink installations. Now, in Chrome, go to the Flink repository on GitHub and click on the green Download Code button. Copy the link under HTTPS, and then in the command prompt, type git clone and paste the link that was just copied. Press Enter to run the command. This will clone the Flink repository to the Moja Global folder. Now, go to Flint by using the cd flint command. We'll use git checkout develop to switch to the develop branch of the Flink repository. We'll now return to the Moja Canada repository on GitHub. It's time to add the extra library for GCBM to the VCPKG dependencies. In the command prompt, go back to the Moja Global folder with cd ... and then go to VCPKG with cd VCPKG. Copy the name of the library, libpqxx:x64-Windows, and in the command prompt, type VCPKG install libpqxx x64 Windows and press Enter. VCPKG will build and install the package from source. To continue, the Flink solution needs to be built. Copy the CMake command from the README file and move to the command prompt. Change directory to Flint with the command cd ... followed by cd flint. Now, from the Flink folder, change to source folder with cd source. Make a new folder build with mkdir build and change to build folder with cd build. Now, paste the cmake command and press enter. CMake will generate the Flink Visual Studio solution. Now, type mojap.sln and press enter. This will open up the Flink solution in Visual Studio. In Visual Studio, change the configuration by clicking on the drop-down beside Debug and choosing Release. Now, in Solution Explorer, expand the CMake predefined targets by clicking on the white arrow and right-click on Install, and then click on Build. In the output section, you will see the Flink being built. After the build is complete, you may close Visual Studio. Next, the Moja Canada repository needs to be cloned. Do this by clicking on the green Download Code button. Copy the link under HTTPS, and now in the command prompt, go back to Moja Global by using cd ... cd ... and then type git clone and paste the link that was just copied. We'll press enter. This will clone the GCBM repository to the Moja Global folder. Now the GCBM solution needs to be built. Copy the cmake command from the README file and move to the command prompt. We'll change the directory to Moja Canada by cd moja.canada. From the Moja Canada folder, change to source folder with cd source. Make a new folder build with mkdir build, and change to build folder with cd build. Now paste the cmake command and press enter, and CMake will generate the GCBM Visual Studio solution. Next, type cbm.sln and enter. This will open up the GCBM solution in Visual Studio. In Visual Studio, change the configuration by clicking on the drop-down beside Debug and choose Release. Now, in Solution Explorer, expand the CMake predefined targets by clicking on the white arrow, right-click on Install, and click on Build. In the output section, you can see the GCBM is being built. After the build is complete, you may close Visual Studio. In File Explorer, let's go back to the Development folder. Open the Software folder. The GCBM folder contains the CBM module that was just built. In GCBM/bin, we can see the CBM module library. Similarly, in Moja/bin, the Flink system has been freshly compiled from the source code. Let's make a release version of the GCBM. In the Development folder, make a new folder with the name moja-release. Now open Notepad from the Start menu. From Notepad, click on File, Save As, and select the Save As type as All Files. In the file name, type do-release.bat. Click on Save. Now type the exact code as demonstrated in the video. You may need to change the paths if you are not working in the default directories. This BAT batch file will work properly only if you are using the default path. Next, go to File and click on Save. We can now close Notepad. Now, run the script by double-clicking on it. We'll see the release version of the GCBM. Select all the files and copy the files by right-clicking on them. Now, go back to the development folder. Navigate to Moja Global, GCBM Training Package, Standalone Template, Tools, and GCBM. We'll paste in the files we just copied and agree to replace the files with the same names. Let's go back to the Standalone Template folder and run the runall.bat batch file to test the newly compiled GCBM. In the command prompt, use the command cd ... to go back to the Moja Global folder. Now, we'll run cd GCBM_training_package and cd standalone_template. Finally, type run_all.bat to run the GCBM. It will take a while for the script to finish. At the end of the script, you will see the simulation is complete. We have now successfully built and tested the GCBM with the standalone template on Visual Studio 2019. That's everything for the first video. Thank you for watching. Please join us in the next video, where we'll explain how to test and run the GCBM from the training package.